Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I'm going to be sharing some happy mail that I received. Some of it is Valentine's Day, some of it is birthday, and I think some of it might be Easter. I am a little bit behind on filming. I'm going to get right into it. Thank you all so very much for thinking of me on these occasions. I have been trying to send out happy mail myself, and I thank you guys so much for all of your support. The first happy mail that I received is from my bestie, from Sharon over at From Cheap to Chic. All of the channels that I mentioned will be listed down below. The first one is she sent me this really fun notebook. It says, if crafting was exercise, I could bounce a quarter off my you-know-what. And it's a lined notebook, which is so fun. It's going to go great with my notebook collection. She sent me this super cute shirt. It says, crafter noun, a person who hoards beautiful objects. And let me tell you, I am a hoarder of all craft things. And I am hosting a craft event. This is going to be the shirt that I'm going to be wearing to that. It's super cute and I love that it has a black background. Thank you, bestie Sharon, for thinking of me on my birthday. The next is from Teresa. She's Carolina Bugs. She sends the cutest happy mail. Let's see what she sent my way. This is for my birthday and Valentine's Day. These are birthday stickers and I don't have these in my collection, so that's going to be wonderful to use. And let's see what this is. She is so good with using her Cricut. I only have the old one and mine doesn't do this. We have lots of cute Valentine's Day ephemera in here. I love these little gnomies. This is great. I will be able to use this in my happy mail. These are so fun and adorable. Thank you so much for these, Teresa. They are so cute. Will definitely get good use. She also sent me a happy birthday card. It's a shaker. It's so cute. She did leave it blank for me to reuse. That's so fun. Thank you so much for thinking of me, Teresa. Look at that on her packaging. So cute. The next happy mail is from Marissa. She's the Fun Size Crafter on Instagram. Let's see what she has sent to me. So cute. She sent me this cute happy mail. This dinosaur is too cute. I love her. She's so cute. And she wrote me this super sweet note on the inside, and that's her Instagram, Fun Size Crafter. Thank you so much, Marissa, for thinking of me on Valentine's Day. This is so adorable. This is from Gloria over at Girlia's Cards. All these channels will be listed down below. She sent me a little thank you note. Her cards are so nice. The detailing on everything is so pretty. She is thanking me for some Valentine's Day happy mail that I sent her way. She sent me a very nice note on the inside. Thank you, Gloria. She does host a challenge with other ladies on her YouTube channel, so you should go and check her out as well. This is from Diana over at Diana Loves Colors. She sent this super cute Valentine's Day card my way. She did make it so that I could also reuse this card. Inside, she included some heart doilies, these cute ephemera pieces. I love these stickers for my dewdrop packages. So cute. I love that bunny. So sweet. And we have a little pocket. This is a cute little to from note card. So cute. Diana, thank you so much for thinking of me on Valentine's Day. Next, we have Regina. I will link her channel down below. She sent me this so pretty card. Those roses are beautiful. She wrote me a note on the inside, and she also shared some heart stickers in this really pretty paper. Thank you so much, Regina. This is from Jen. This is so cute. Hope your day is full of sweet surprises. She is sending me happy birthday wishes. That's from Jen from Sassy Southern NC Girl. She has been doing monthly shout outs for whose birthday it is for the upcoming month, and thank you so much for recognizing my birthday, Jen. I appreciate it so much, and your card is so adorable. This next card is from Kim, and let's see, she sent me some of this super cute gummy bear paper. She is wishing me a happy Valentine's Day on this super cute card. She sent some happy mail my way. Let's take a look. She has this cute bow with all these fun layers for this little bag. She sent me some of these really cute ephemera pieces on the inside. Thank you so much, Kim. This is so cute. What a great way to use your button stash. This sounds like a sequin mix. Let's take a look. These are little clay hearts. So cute. I will definitely be adding those into my little clay bit collection. And she has this super cute altered card, and she did use some of my dewdrops. Kim, thank you so much for thinking of me and sending me this sweet happy mail. Thank you so much. Next we have Paper Craft Crystal. She sent me this pretty card. This lace is so pretty and it has this really fun design. She wrote to have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for that, Crystal. She has this little cute Valentine's Day bear on there. So cute. Thank you so much for thinking about me and sending me this beautiful card. This is actually a prize that I won from Carrie's Crafts. She is so generous with all of her prizes, and she sent me this wonderful happy mail. Inside here's her information. She did send me some die cuts for the dies that she sent. These are so pretty, and I don't have this one. It's the love with the heart. And then she sent me the banner die, and I don't have this one either. So I'm very excited to be adding that into my collection. Thank you so much for that. Then we have some of the pretty heart gems. Here's her note. Let's take a look. She wrote me a note about winning her giveaway. She shared these fun stickers. I love stickers so much. So cute. These are adorable. Thank you so much for those. We have some heart sequin. These are thin acrylic pieces, and it looks like these are some tiny bows. So cute. Some chipboard hearts. We have this little Hello Kitty paper clip. She also shared some really pretty pink trim. Thank you so much, Carrie, for that wonderful happy mail. Then I received some happy mail from Annie Creates. She sent me this beautiful heart. She did use my dewdrops. This really sweet note on the inside about friendship. Thank you so much, Annie. I feel the same way, and this card is very beautiful. Thank you so much. And from Enos over at Paper Crafting with Enos, I received this beautiful card. It says, "It's not what we have in life, but who we have in our life that matters." It's so sweet, and she's wishing me a happy Valentine's Day and for entering her challenge. Thank you so much, Enos. It's a very pretty card. I just love all of the hearts so much. Then we have a message from Maka over at Maka's home. She and I are very local to each other, and she sent me this cutest Irish kisses and shamrock wishes, and she wrote me a note on the inside, and she did leave it blank so I can reuse it. This is so cute. I don't think I've ever received a St. Patrick's Day card before. It's so pretty. Thank you so much, Maka. And from Carrie over at Carrie's Crafts, she also sent me this thank you card, which I am in love with this lemon paper. It is so fun. It's right up my alley. She's thanking me for entering her ATC challenge. She sent this super cute "thank you very much" sticker. I love the fruit, and then this really pretty shamrock heart. So nice. Thank you so much for that. I appreciate you all so very much that have sent me happy mail. It was so unexpected and so very thoughtful. And the next package that I received is from Kathleen. Her channel will also be linked down below. This was a surprise happy mail. Let's take a look at what's inside. Oh my goodness. Here is her YouTube information, Classy Cat Crafts. And look at this amazing happy mail. This is so cute. Let's go ahead and open this up. This is St. Patrick's Day happy mail, it looks like. It looks like these are some napkins. This is so cute. This is great. I have a drawer that I now store my napkins in, so thank you for these. I'll add them into my collection. Look at this. So fun. She has the little C for my name. Cheers. I love it. Great design. Such fun paper. She sent me this cute diamond pen. That's so fun. I have one in silver, so now I have it in gold. That is great. Thank you so much. We have a shamrock pick. Adorable. This was probably on something because it's sticky. Probably on there. Let's open this up. And she sent this super cute note that is so sweet. Oh my goodness. And this is where this delicious cookie came from. Wow, that's amazing and delicious. If you don't know me, I am addicted to sweets and candies and pastries. This is right up my alley. What a wonderful theme. It's so fun. Oh my goodness. And here's another one. I am definitely going to enjoy this. Thank you so much. And look at this wonderful design. Thank you so much, Kathleen. That was so nice of you to think of me and send me all these wonderful goodies. Thank you guys for being such amazing crafty friends. I appreciate you all so very much. Thank you guys so much for letting me share all of my happy mail, and thank you to everyone that has sent goodies my way. I appreciate it so very much. All of these wonderful ladies' channels will be linked down below. Before I go, I did recently do a last call on my dewdrops. If you are interested, I have a couple of sets still available. We have the Ho 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 with the silver, the Ho 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 with the gold, and we do have a couple of silver and gold, as well as some snowball. If you're interested, please drop me a message down below. It is still $5 with free shipping for the US only, and thank you guys so much for supporting my small business. I am trying to make room for some new spring and summer colors. I thank you guys so much for stopping by, and have a great day. Bye guys.